happy Valentine's. This is Joan of Art. I am here at Art Central. We are having a bonfire night this Valentine season. And for our Ilonggo tutorial, let's discuss some words pertaining to relationships. So in Ilonggo, relationship, it's easy to remember. It's relasyon. Okay, so what are the most common or typical relationships we have? Well, first is husband and wife. So a husband is called bana in Ilonggo, and the wife is called asawa. So while in Tagalog it's just asawa for the male and the female, in Ilonggo, asawa is the wife and bana is the husband. On the other hand, boyfriend and girlfriend is nobyo and nobya. So a boyfriend is nobyo and girlfriend is nobya. However, contemporary usage makes it now just migo and miga. Migo for boyfriend, miga for girlfriend. And I think it's kind of old school already if you use nobyo and nobya as a term for your love relationship. So it's just migo and miga. It also pertains to a friend, like a girl friend and a boy friend is also your amigo and amiga. So it just depends on the usage. If you mean a boyfriend or a girlfriend for migo and miga, or just a friend, still it's migo and miga. So that's it. If you have a Valentine date for tonight, it could be your migo or miga, or it could be your bana or asawa. The old school term, by the way, for your life partner is called upod. So that's back in the olden days when probably marriage was not the thing, because I think marriage, as we know, was only introduced by the Christian priests, Catholic priests. So before that, probably our elders, especially the natives, just live together. They move into each other's places and they call each other upod. Upod means companion or partner. So that's our relationship words, especially for this Valentine. Valentine, okay, adlaw sang mga tagipusoon or Heart's Day. Adlaw means day sang mga of the tagipusoon, heart. Or kasing-kasing, kasing-kasing also heart. So happy Heart's Day, everyone. This is Joan of Art. I'm wearing red. Nakapula in red. So you know why. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. And of course, this also goes out to one of our constant viewers here, Joe Holtz and Con Holtz. Special mention to both of you guys. Happy Valentine, and thanks for the friendship. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye for now.